Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best Hostinger discount, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to save the most money on your Hostinger hosting plan. First, let me explain the two ways you can get a discount. If you use a coupon code, you'll get 10% off. But if you use my special partnership link in the description, you'll get an extra 20% off, double the savings. So always go with the link for maximum discount. Now, let me show you a real example using business web hosting. I chose a 48-month plan, and here's the big takeaway. Always go with the longest duration possible. Here's why. I once bought a plan for just 1 year and paid around $41. My renewal cost jumped to $95. But when I bought a 4-year plan up front, the total came to just $108 for the entire 4 years. That's a massive difference. Also, great news. When you use my link, you'll get a free domain and 3 extra months added to your order automatically. So here's what you need to do. Click the link in the description or comment section. Links are available for all countries in your local language and currency. Once you land on the Hostinger page, select your plan from the navbar. You can choose from web hosting, VPS, cloud hosting, website builder, Hostinger Horizon, or business web email. The 20% discount applies to all of them. One important tip. Always try to sign up with a new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before to make sure you get the best deal. No matter what currency shows in this video, when you use your country-specific link, everything will appear in your local currency and language. Happy hosting!